The cleaning has started. It's gonna need a deep clean. So the wife was washing these door panels for me. All she did was soap and water. We haven't done any conditioners or anything. These things turned out nice. I mean, they had mold and mildew on them from sitting for years, but she's got these door panels looking clean. Same with the dash. You know, it's coming together. It's gonna look really good when I finally get some real time to put into this. But I'll show you the other door panel real quick, just so you can see it. I mean, these door panels cleaned up nice. And I'm gonna have to figure out if the windows are bad because of the fuse or because of the motors. I don't know, got to figure that out. But also, you know, it's a real custom truck when they do the paint and it actually goes in all the cracks and crevices. The more I find out, the more I love.